Hey guys, Black Cat 392 here. It's a little after midnight. I just wanted to make a real quick video. So when I purchased this car, or when I placed the order I should say, I ordered really things that I wanted, and I kind of overlooked ordering it with HID headlights. So I got halogens, and I really don't like the way they look. Every car I've had for a really long time now has had HIDs. So I decided, maybe let's upgrade them. So I ordered a set of LED headlights. They were the new style with the Philips LEDs. They had a really good review. I think they're around $89 on Amazon. They're supposed to have a really good beam pattern. I think I went to a site online called Beam Reviews or something like that, and they did pretty well. Definitely a decent price range. They weren't cheap, weren't expensive. So I upgraded them tonight. I just installed them a little while ago because I had some time to myself, and they are a lot better. So let's see if I can show you how they look. Here you guys can see I already updated the lights with the LEDs. The beam pattern is pretty good, but as you can tell on the garage door, I have to adjust the passenger side. I have to turn it so the LEDs are side to side instead. Right now I believe they're up and down in that side. That'll only take a minute. But if you look at them, they're a lot brighter, and I think they match the car better, especially having the factory LED fog lights. So I'm going to add a link to the LED lights in my description below. Let me know what you guys think. Comment below. Like the video, subscribe. Guys, have a good night.